Alright, so today I'm gonna try to get this wheel off and get these spindles replaced and get these wheels put on. That's the plan for now. Okay, I got the wheels on. This nut was capped, so I thought, well, all of them are capped, but I didn't look at all of them, and all of them aren't capped. So what you saw there was me taking the lug bolts off and then swapping them with the 5 lug set. Well, I got the calipers out and did some measuring, and those bolts were going to be too short. There was like, I don't know, a little over a ½ inch of thread left on the nut. When I put an open one on there, I noticed that. If I would have kept the closed ones on there, probably would have only had maybe a ½ inch, if I'm lucky, of threads after I went through and measured every way you could possibly measure. They got this right here, this spot that's not threaded. So I measured from where the thread started to the back, and then these lug nuts don't go all the way to the back, otherwise they wouldn't tighten. So by the time you took away everything, way too little threads. So I put the long bolts back on, and this is how far they came out, you know. So not much further than what these ones should have allowed, these ones with the caps, but they didn't want to go on. So anyway, I'm not going to be able to put the back ones on because I'm going to get the right lug nuts that are open instead of closed, because I got the long ones in the back too, so they're even longer than the ones that were in the front. So the the back wheels aren't going back on because I don't got enough lug nuts to do that. And then I need a cotter pin here. I've used it so many times it's broken, and I'm gonna end up having to grease these at some point. Just glad I didn't grease them every time I took them apart. Make sure I get those greased before it hits the road. This is the other side. Gotta get a greasing that too.